This is a job that we were called out to recently in Walton-on-the-Naze. Unfortunately, the homeowners had some builders in to replace their windows with these French doors, and the workmanship from the builders that they chose was very poor. As you can see, the French doors were fitted at the incorrect height. The bricks below the French doors were basically bonded together using expanding foam, and there was lots of gaps all around, so the homeowners were suffering with cold drafts and water penetration. Also, none of the repair work on the inside was done, so the homeowners were left with exposed brickwork all around the door, and the floor was a trip hazard every time they went in and out of the door. So this is just a quick time lapse of the work we carried out to rectify the work that the previous builders done. And that is all the repair work done. So as you saw, we lowered the ceiling and insulated it. We plasterboarded both sides and packing it out so it's all flush. We initially lowered the French doors and altered the brickwork, fitted a solid pine step and varnished it to match the existing herringbone floor. And now all is left for the homeowners to decorate. And this is a lovely 5-star review that the clients left us on Google. I hope you've all enjoyed the video and stay on the lookout for our next project that we'll be uploading soon.